it's Heather, Ideas to Come, and I am coming to you today about the giveaway. I wanted to, been wanting to do a giveaway, and I'm probably going to do more giveaways, but right now, I have some pretty cool prizes. We have a planner punch board, and that comes with, I believe, 3 of the punches. Sorry, I'm doing this with my new camera. I love my new camera, and I'm learning how to use it. And then also an envelope punch board. And so I'm giving 3 prizes. And then also a gift box punch board. And along with each one of those, and those will be shipped in a priority box. Along with those, you also get some other things. This is, I think this is some paper, some 6x6 paper. I'm not going to pull all that out. Some stickers, some sequins, some little, these are so cute, pens, which you can use on your projects. I'm not even paying attention to see if I'm in frame or not. Some Molly and Rex banner kit. Some stickers, some tags, and I think all the are going to be the same. All the packages with these will be the same. The only difference will be either the gift box, punch board. I love We Are Memory Keepers, so that's why I got those. Some more stickers. Some more stickers. Those are so cute. Some clothespins and some ribbon. So that's what you'll be getting in each prize, along with your either planner punch or, like I said, the gift box or the envelope punch board. So for the giveaway, it's gonna start. It's gonna start today, and I know it's kind of late, but I had a crazy day. Don't want to go there until April 8th. So 3 weeks basically. You have to be a subscriber to the channel, so if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I need you to post, that's for 1 entry. These are each separate entries. Must post to Facebook and Instagram, and then give an idea for the channel. So what would you like to see on the channel? In the comments, you can, and I'll put all this down below. If you want an extra 3 entries, go to my website, my web store, and purchase a product. It doesn't matter. There's no price limit, so you can get something, just one thing if you want. The reason why I want to do that is I need practice on filling orders in my new shop. So if you want to do that, you'll get 3 entries for that one purchase. Share on YouTube, so either do a video response or share somehow on YouTube. And so I think there's a chance for 6 entries. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually 7. I'll put all the details down below, but I'm trying to get everybody to take a look at my shop, and if you could do that, that would be great. But so when you go to the web store and you purchase something, you need to let me know what your YouTube name is in the notes, so that I know to give you credit for those 3 entries. And I just want everybody to invite everybody. So if you know of anybody, please tell them to stop by my channel and check out my giveaway video. And I just got some new flowers in, which I'm going to be putting in the shop. So cute. These packages will be, as a cluster. Those are clusters that'll go out. And so good luck to everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my channel, and hopefully everybody will get a good response, and I'll get some good ideas. I'm so excited about that. More than anything, I'm more excited about getting new ideas of what you want to see on my channel. And I might include a clip of today's day a little bit, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, have a great day. Thank you so much, and we'll see you all soon. Bye for now. Yeah, now we're filming. Okay, hi everyone. Heather here with ideas to come. It's Sunday, and Honey decided he wanted to go fishing. So we are here fishing. He's over here. Let's see if I can zoom in on him. He is right there fishing. It's a little bit windy, cold, a little bit cold, but we're taking a walk. I just ate, so we're taking a walk, me and Ray Ray. Ray, say hi.
Hi.
Hi everybody.